Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Elna. What happened, Elna? Yesterday you were not there during the assembly?
Yeah, I accidentally overslept.
You accidentally missed it. How was your cooking competition yesterday?
It was great.
It was good. How was the food that you created? What did you do with the food? Sandwich?
Yeah,
Did you eat it by yourself?
yeah. I can't name the lunches.
No? Okay. Where is Amila? I think I'll give you 8 minutes to practice for this one. I'll create a breakout room. Can you try? You have that song with you, right?
No.
Can I hear it? Will you sing two, three lines for me? I just want to see how it goes.
Okay. 2, 3 lines.
Just starting two, three lines. Just to see. Because our next week is leave, so we have to practice this week.
Okay. Mm, okay. The whispers of the earth. The whispers of the earth being travels far and wide. Every ancient trees with its branches high. But the river crying, the air growing green, the ocean are choked with the plastic nearby. The earth is our home, not a place just to breathe. From the smallest ants
Good morning, ma'am.
to the deep, in the deep. The earth is our music. So heal every forest and
Okay, let's
plant
do
a
one thing.
new seed.
Until I talk to Lazel, you learn the words. Okay? You can mute and learn the words. And as soon as Amila comes, I'll put you guys in the breakout room. Hmm?
Okay. So
Fine?
heal every forest and plants
So you
in
can
a
mute here.
sea.
Which words, ma'am?
Or
Which
tomorrow's
words?
world.
Good morning, Lazel. Not to Lazel. Hi, Lazel. Helena is practicing for her song. Let her practice, okay? How was your cooking competition, Lazel? Hi, you made something very nice.
Good.
You remember Amina ma'am? She saw my status, okay? I put a status of you guys, right? She was like, "Is that Lazel?" I said, "It is Lazel." But Lazel don't participate in anything. I said, "Lazel has completely changed now," and she was completely shocked. He called me yesterday. She was impressed. Hey, good job. Did Bayan prepare anything?
Yeah.
What did he make?
Say, almost same as my strawberry dessert, like mango dessert.
She made mango. And who ate it at the end? Who ate all this?
I hate whipping cream, so he ate it.
Okay. He ate yours and you ate his. You didn't give to parents? No sharing?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
how did it taste? Did it taste good?
A little, because I hate whipping.
You hate whipping cream. Hmm. Are your assignments submitted? Are you submitting all the assignments this thing?
Yeah.
Because we have to get CE mark, okay? This theme I'm going to help you to get the
I,
marks.
I, I think I have two more works.
Two
Three
more?
more.
Which subject?
Three. Hindi and two Hindi and one science.
Okay. Do it fast and we'll ask the teacher to open it up, okay? Complete the work. Is there a due date? Is it over?
No.
Then it's fine.
We go, but the signs I could still mark as done, but it is saying work cannot be turned. But I could still submit it.
That we can ask the teacher, Afla ma'am, right?
No.
Abhirami ma'am. We'll ask Abhirami ma'am to open it
Yeah.
up.
English is Afla, ma'am.
Okay, did you do the science work?
Uh,
Is it
no.
complete? Okay, complete it today. Then we'll talk to Abhirami ma'am to open it up. Okay.
I think she sent her this yesterday.
So will you complete it today?
Yeah.
Okay, then sounds good. Where is Amila and Milan? Milan hasn't been.
Because the due date is tomorrow.
Then you have time. There's no problem.
Yeah.
Complete it on time. Okay. We have to upload it. We have to focus on the marks this time. Okay. Helena, how is it going?
Good.
Going good. Okay. Because today, at the end, after our school time, Asbaha ma'am, she is in charge of Environment Day. So she'll be coming to listen to all the programs from all the kids, those who are participating. So we have to present our poem as well. Okay? So we can wear something colorful. Wear a nice dress and come, okay? Just for 5 minutes. I'll ask Camila as well. Where is she? Let me drop a message, Amila and Milan. Do you know what happened to Milan, guys?
Yeah, ma'am.
Huh?
Hella joined the last class, I think.
Yes, Hella.
No. In the maths, I think. Yeah, maths.
Yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Ella told me. Ella, don't miss any more classes, okay? If it is something urgent, definitely yes. Apart from that, try not to miss, okay?
And today, Amelia is late.
Milan is also late.
No, he's in India. Wait,
In India, it's late.
right?
It's 9:20 right now.
No.
Yes, dear, I am in India.
India time is like 10:40 or something.
It's 9:20.
Let me check.
Okay, let's check.
9.
Mhm. 9.
9:40.
9:20.
9:40.
9:20.
9:40.
I'm in India. It's 9:20.
You just say 9:30 now. So I just put a 10.
Amila, where are you? Are you in India, Amila? Sorry, Helena. Helena, are you in India? Let's see.
No.
No?
No.
See, I am in India. I'll show you the. Look at the time.
Liar.
It's 9:20.
When I was in India, the time was 9:30.
So I think that is because before the daylight saving times, there is a daylight saving time shift is there, right? So maybe because of that.
What?
There's a thing called daylight saving. So time
Are
shifts.
you? Oh, you are in another city in India.
In India, everywhere it is 9:20.
No.
Yes.
No.
Wanna bet? Bet for what?
When I go to India, I will see by myself.
Okay. Which is your first hour, guys? Check the calendar, please.
I didn't took calendar.
And coming Monday onwards, you have 1 week leave, okay? Eid leave. Congratulations. Ha, nice. So coming Saturday onwards, you have leave till next Sunday. You're getting nearly 10
It
days.
is science and after science it is second language. After second language English. After English English. Two English.
So English, no, one should be science.
Already science in the first. But there is two English.
Share the calendar, share the calendar. That's not possible. There cannot be two English.
Though. There is though.
Yes, share the calendar. Let me check. Let's see.
No, English.
If there's two English, science, English, two English.
Yeah, two English. Two
That's a problem
English.
for us. Let me check. Okay, 1 second. Let's check. PYA1. Today's Thursday, right? Yes, dear. You guys are having two English today.
Why?
Science, second language, and then two English. Amila, you are late.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can
I
I
was
get a gold
sorry.
star?
Okay. You missed assembly. See, Amila, after class, you have to come to auditorium, you and Helena, because Asbaha ma'am will be there. She is the environment day in charge, okay? So she wants
So
to sing
today
also.
we have to sing that.
Wear something nice to commemorate, okay? What color you
Ma'am,
want to wear? Yes, Lazel?
can everybody have golden star because of the cooking?
Yes, definitely. You too
Ma'am,
will
you,
have golden star.
ma'am, ma'am, that's like a smoothie. Like,
Which one? Yours?
Ma'am,
yeah.
Ah, yes.
And
ma'am,
who was the
we
chocolate
didn't
cake?
change the
Chocolate.
monitor for 3 weeks. I
Tomorrow we'll
guess.
take the monitor, okay? And
Ma'am,
chocolate cake was from Shahad, PYC2.
who?
Shahad, PYC2.
Who's that?
You don't know
Ma'am,
her.
do you made it in Jiminy something? Bye bye.
No, I wanted four pictures, but there were only three of you. But if I put three, that alignment will not come. So I like the chocolate cake, so I added it there. Where is
Ah,
Abhidami ma'am?
It was a lotus, not a chocolate.
I will ask Abhidami ma'am. Ma'am is here. Okay, people, bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Abhidami ma'am, please give 10 minutes at the end to Helena and Amila because we have the practice today for assembly, monthly assembly.
When a blush, ma'am?
Last
I
10
have.
minutes, can you give to Helena and Amila?
Yeah, I can give. I can give. Yes.
Thank you so much.
No, I have colorful here, ma'am.
Nice. Where is your white dress? Amila, go and change to white uniform.
I
Go and
don't have any
no,
white
no, no. Go
dress.
change and come quickly. I'll ask
I
I'll
don't.
ask Abhidami ma'am. Otherwise, I'll give first hour attendance as well. Go.
Okay.